got my little weekender here. So this is me. And this is my hair, guys. I've got my bunsies. And I'm okay with that. Just gonna put on my hat. Ready to go. We're waiting for that bus that's coming in 14 minutes time. So I made it on time. I made it. I made it.
Platform 7 for the 6:40 Great Northern Service to London King's Cross.
That's my ride. So Soca lovers, outside the London train station I'm coming, and then there's a trophy tour. UEFA Euro 2020 baba. Let me go and see how close to it, how close I can get to it.
Chuck it over here.
London is actually cold, so I put on my jacket. I'm in Costa, having some hot chocolate. I just wanted someone warm to be. There's our ride, guys. Hiking Nation, hiking club. It was a 5-hour drive to our destination, and the scenic view was just amazing. It made it all worth it. Please forgive my ill knowledge. This building is not a palace. It is an abbey, actually called the Eaglestone Abbey. Now, abbeys were places where monks and nuns could stay. They were built for religious activities and people could hold church. The second stop is Upper TEESDALE, and we're here at the Nature's Force, where we're going to see the low force and the high force. Well, to me, it was just the small waterfall and the big waterfall, the higher falls being the bigger waterfall, which was absolutely spectacular. It's a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day. It is. It's a beautiful day. It is. It is. What a beautiful day. It is. Have you seen people who are trespassing? These people are trespassing. Including me. What has happened to this girl now? All right.
Is that the waterfall?
Yeah, the waterfall is up ahead. So finally the high fall. This is it. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Out of the world.
Hello everyone, it's been a long day. I am coming from bathing just to make sure I can sleep well. 2 times in one day, bathing 2 times in one day. I'm so tired. My day started at 4:45. Now it's 23:15, I think. So it's been so many hours, and I've been on the road since 9. No, not since 9, since 6. So I've been on the road for almost 18 hours. I thought we're never going to arrive. We did go to the beautiful falls. That was lovely. But after that, we also had to travel for many other hours. So it was quite a journey. But I'm happy we're here. I'm going to give you a tour of our lodge. We are at Rough Lodge, and we're planning to go tomorrow to see this sunrise over the mountain. So hopefully I can wake up to join others for that. But for now, it's time to sleep, and then I will. They're calling me for food, but I can't eat now. I just have to sleep. She kind of took me out from my thought process. What am I doing? I'm sleeping now. I'm tired. Like I can't. I wanted to say the tour of the lodge we're staying. I'll see when I can do it. Hopefully, I'll be able to do it. But right now, my room is filled with all my stuff, and I should have been able to take before. But hey, from the time we got out the sprinter, I just wanted to sleep, guys. So, catch me tomorrow.